Hello and welcome back to Budget Smartphone Review. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing my new Sansui S183. This is again a budget phone, but it has a lot of very good features and a very good battery of 1800 mAh, and you could expect the battery life up to 5 to 7 days with moderate usage using this handset. I've already unboxed this handset and I'm doing it again for you all to see the box contents. Here is the handset. I have already inserted the battery. We will look at it a little later. Let's see what else is available inside the box. Data cable, wall charger, standard headset, with a button, these are the documents, user manual, service center list, etc. Let's now look at the handset. This is red and black in color. This is a very good textured finish on the back. Here is the camera without LED flash, but there is a torchlight here on the top. Here is the speaker. On the bottom we have the 3.5mm audio jack and a port for data syncing and charging. Here is the primary microphone. Let's see what is there under the hood. This is a hard plastic and is of very good quality. This is the 1800 mAh battery from Sansui. This is the speaker. Under this there would be two normal SIM slots and a micro SD card slot. To lock and unlock, we just need to press this button and the star button. Display quality is very good. It has a lot of menu options like S World, which stands for Sansui World, contacts, multimedia. We have camera for recording videos and clicking photos, audio player, video player, FM radio, image viewer, call logs, messages, games. We have Snake game pre-installed. We can configure all these settings: call settings, dual SIM settings, phone settings, display settings, security settings, user profiles, network and connectivity. We could increase and decrease the brightness. In tools we have alarm, calendar, torch, Bluetooth, calculator, world clock. To access my files we need to have micro SD card. That's all for now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share. Also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You could buy this handset for just around 900 Indian rupees, and I would be providing you the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.